Surely, you have felt the feeling of being ignored, being overlooked, especially when you are a grown man, but want to attract the attention of younger girls. That feeling is not pleasant at all, right? It makes you feel like you are left out, as if there is something that makes you unable to stand out in their eyes in those moments. You can't help but wonder, do you still have a chance to attract their attention? Maybe you start to doubt yourself, feel like you are no longer attractive enough as before. But don't worry, you don't have to face this alone. It is here that you will find extremely valuable secrets that will help you completely change the game. You don't have to try to pretend to be young. You don't have to transform yourself into someone else. Just take advantage of what you have accumulated over the years of living and growing up. True attraction does not come from youthful looks or don't pretend to be young. Insincere actions, but from confidence, experience, and the ability to create deep connections. Remember, your strength lies in your maturity, composure, and ability to understand yourself. That is what will make you a man that young girls cannot take their eyes off. It is not that you lack charm, but you do not know how to promote it at the right time. Join me to discover the secrets to help you shine, to not only attract attention, but also make her run after you. 1, don't reveal too much. You've probably heard the saying, mystery is attractive. But have you ever wondered why mystery can make you more attractive? Mystery is a magical element that can make you naturally attractive, without having to try too hard. Research shows that not revealing too much about yourself too soon can actually make you more attractive to others, especially young girls when you hold back. Something that hasn't been hold back, revealed you, not only create curiosity, but also make the other person immersed in waiting, eager to discover interesting things about you. Mystery not only makes you elusive, but it also creates an alluring atmosphere, making everything around you more attractive. What you hold back, the untold stories, will increase the desire to learn more. Instead of telling everything about yourself right from the start, let your story unfold slowly like a book, where each chapter is waiting for an interesting twist. Everyone loves a story that is full of suspense, a story where each next page makes people want to turn it faster to discover the ending. Remember, you don't have to be an absolute mystery, just cleverly leave a little bit unsaid. This not only makes you more attractive, but also makes young women feel like they want to know more about you and gradually get drawn into the Shine with Charm story. You are creating 2 Shine with Charm. Have you ever realized that sometimes it is the simple things that can create magical power? A warm smile, a sincere gesture of care, or just a thoughtful look. All of these can make you a man who cannot take his eyes off her charm, does not always come from a perfect appearance or expensive gifts. Sometimes just a gentle smile is enough to make her heart flutter. A well-timed joke can make her laugh happily. According to psychological studies, charm is an invisible but attractive form of power. It can make you stand out from the crowd, not because of what you say, but because of the way you express your emotions and care for others. A small act like gently helping her carry her things, simply listening to her share stories in her life, is enough to create a strong impression. Let your charm shine through those simple things, and you will see it bring miracles to your relationship. Charm comes from sincerity, from the delicacy in every gesture and action. Never underestimate the power of small things, because those moments will touch her heart in ways you cannot imagine. Let yourself be a source of inspiration, making her unable to take her eyes off, unable to forget every time she meets you. 3, give her sincere compliments. A sincere compliment can sometimes have magical power enough to brighten her whole day. Just 1 sentence from the heart can make her feel more confident, feel her self-worth. Experts agree that a timely compliment is not only an expression of care, but also a great way to make her feel special, worthy of being appreciated when you give her a compliment, whether it is about her bright smile or sharp compliments, and intelligence or simply her exquisite taste in clothes. It all shows that you not only appreciate her appearance, but also appreciate her inner values. Never hesitate to give sincere compliments. A timely compliment, no matter how small, can become a great source of motivation. Help her feel proud of herself. Make her realize that someone is noticing the wonderful things she brings. You may not realize it, but those seemingly simple compliments can be the key to unlocking a deeper, more intimate relationship. Not only will they make her feel good, but they will also show that you are someone who truly notices the beauty and uniqueness that she has inside. She will feel that you not only love her appearance, but also appreciate her inner qualities, and that is a great connection between the two of you. 4. Express your feelings sincerely. Each of us has special feelings for someone, and sometimes just your feelings. Sharing those feelings is enough to create a deep connection when you truly express your feelings, when you let your heart speak. That is how you show your sincerity and true care for her. Those feelings are not just simple words, but messages that you want to send so that she understands that she is really important to you. Psychological studies have shown that when you share your sincere feelings about her, she will feel more appreciated and loved than ever. Those words are not only an acknowledgement, but also a source of motivation to help the relationship between the two of you become closer and more attached. Emotions are what can make a relationship special, making every moment together memorable and profound. It is what connects two souls, making your feelings for her closer and more understanding. Never hesitate to open up and express your thoughts and feelings to her. Let her know how much she means. Build connection to you, that every moment with her brings joy and peace to your life. Words that come from the heart will make her feel loved, appreciated, and more importantly, it will help you build a relationship that is not only strong, but also emotional and sincere. 5. Build connection through intimate gestures in every relationship. Closeness and connection come not only from words, but also from subtle gestures. It is those gentle actions, whether it is a warm handshake, a protective hug, or simply a gentle touch, that have an invisible power, creating a deeper connection between two people. Psychological studies have shown that these gestures not only make you feel closer to the other person, but also create a safe space where both can freely share, understand, and appreciate each other. Those intimate gestures, handshakes, those gentle hugs, bring a sense of peace, like a wordless whisper that, "I'm here, you're safe." These are the moments when sometimes there is no need to say much. Just presence and care are enough to make the relationship strong. Feeling safe and intimate are the key elements that deepen the relationship between you and your partner. It helps you and your partner overcome worries, feel protected and loved. It is those simple but meaningful gestures that make the difference in a relationship, making you two not only lovers but also companions, trusting and sharing everything. Let intimate gestures become an indispensable part of your love story, so that the feelings between you two always bloom and supplement over time. 6. Don't be too serious. Be cheerful and humorous. Have you ever noticed that people who are too serious, often unintentional, create a tense atmosphere, making people feel uncomfortable? In fact, being too serious sometimes makes us forget about joy and relaxing moments. A little humor, a gentle smile, or a funny story can completely change the surrounding space, dispel all tension, and bring it comfortable, natural feeling. According to psychologists, cheerfulness and the ability to laugh are extremely attractive factors for women, especially young girls. They not only look for a mature and grown-up companion, but also want someone who can make them laugh, bring them moments of relaxation and comfort. Never be afraid to show your cheerfulness, because that is an important part in creating a connection between two people. A funny story, an innocent smile, or simply the lightness in the way you face. Unexpected situations can make her feel more common interests comfortable and open up that playfulness. Not only makes her laugh, but also shows that you are an optimistic, easygoing person who knows how to enjoy the light moments in life. Let your joy and humour become an indispensable part of your life, and you will find the relationship between the two of you becomes closer, natural, and full of life. 7. Find out about common interests to connect more deeply. The connection in a relationship comes not only from the actions you do, but also from what you and she share with each other. Sometimes simple but sincere things can create an extremely strong bond between two people. Psychological. Studies have shown that when two people share a common interest or passion, the relationship will have the opportunity to develop stronger and deeper. This not only helps you understand each other better, but also creates close moments where both of you can explore and enjoy the things you love. Listen to the store she listened to her shares, find out what she is passionate about, the interest she always cherishes. Sometimes, just a gentle question about the things she loves can also open a new door, helping you enter her world. If possible, do not hesitate to participate in those interests with her, watching a favourite movie together, trying a new dish, or even learning a new skill together are all opportunities for you and her to bond. Sharing similar interests creates lasting memories, which is a solid foundation for a long-term relationship. These shared experiences will help you and her understand each other better, share joys and challenges, and make the relationship deeper and more unforgettable, creating memorable moments together. You will find that sharing common interests is one of the best ways to connect with her 8. Surprise her surprise. Everyone loves surprises, especially when they come from small things, but contain great meaning. Sometimes simple actions can make people's hearts beat more strongly than expensive gifts. When you surprise her, it doesn't need to be luxurious gifts. Just a small gesture, a delicate action is enough to make her feel special. Sometimes just a cup of coffee that she loves, or a book from an author that she is passionate about, can be the best gift. Those gifts are not expensive, but sincere. The way you listen and care about the little things in her life, that is how you show that you understand and appreciate her. Hobbies, the simple joys that she loves. Such a surprise gesture will not only touch her heart, but also create a sweet memory that she will remember forever. It is not always necessary to create big surprises, but the subtlety in the little things. Small, meaningful gifts will make your relationship more attached. Small but meaningful. Gifts show that you really care about her, and that is what makes her feel happy and special. So take some time to do something unexpected, and you will see the feelings between the two of you grow deeper and deeper. 9. Spend quality time with her. Have you ever thought that a special date in a different space can bring memorable memories? Sometimes just changing the scene. Everything around you will become completely new and full of romance. An evening at a fancy restaurant where the sparkling lights reflect in her eyes, or an outdoor picnic in an open space. Gentle breeze and clear laughter of two people can all become wonderful moments that you and she will remember forever. Quality time does not necessarily have to be long minutes or grand plans. Quality time but is about sharing, connecting in every moment. That is when you show your sincere care, when you spend time with her, when you create a space for both of you to chat, laugh, and enjoy the moments that truly belong to each other. These moments not only help you and her understand each other better, but also serve as the foundation for building a strong emotional relationship. When you take the initiative to create interesting, that you not only show your sophistication, but also show that you cherish every moment with her. It is these dates, whether simple or luxurious, that can become unforgettable impressions in her mind. And when your feelings grow, you will realize that these are the moments that make your relationship deeper and more meaningful. 10. Scent and the attraction from. Their scent may be an invisible element, but has great power in creating attraction. Did you know that a pleasant, gentle, and delicate scent can make her not only remember you, but also feel your presence in every moment? Scent has the ability to create deep impressions, a mark that she will not be able to forget. Sometimes, a whiff of scent when you enter a room can make the space different. Make her realize that you are near. Make her heart flutter. With every beat, choosing the right perfume is not simply an accessory to create a scent, but it is a part of your style and personality. The perfume you choose will say a lot about you, from sophistication, strength, to attractive charm. When your scent blends with the space, it is not just the scent, but also the emotions, the messages that you want to send to her without having to say a word. Attraction does not always come from appearance or sweet words, but sometimes the scent will be the bridge to create a deep connection. That is how you leave an impression on her heart, making her unable to forget you. Even after you have left, a pleasant, skillful, and delicate scent can make her heart flutter. And that is how you build long-term attraction without having to do too much. Attracting a young woman is not really a difficult task, if you know how to take advantage of what you have accumulated from life experience and Matt.